Hello, this is Stephanie from Chevelkin Designs, and I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. You're going to grab your yarn at the tail end and wrap it over your finger once, wrap it over twice, pinch it to hold. Take that first loop over the second loop over the first and over the tip of your finger. That creates a loop. Take your hook, insert your hook into that loop, pull to tighten it on your hook and secure it. Hold on with your finger and you can start chaining. And there you have created your slip knot and you can start doing your chains. Let's do it again. I'm going to take the end of your yarn and you're going to wrap it over your finger 2 times. 1 and 2. Pinch with your index finger and thumb to hold on to it. Take the first loop over the second. Then take that second loop and go over the first and over the tip of your finger, creating that loop there. Insert your hook and give it a little pull to tighten and secure it onto your hook. And then you can start chaining. I hope you enjoy the video. Follow, like, subscribe for more. Thanks, guys.